Hi, boys and girls. Today you're going to work on number bonds. Number bonds are when you see two numbers, you add them together, and you get an answer. So I want you to look at the first one on our first slide. You'll see that is a domino, and on the top domino, there are two dots. So number two is inside of the circle. On the bottom part of the domino, there are two dots there, so you'll see another two in the circle. Now, what I want you to do is click on this circle and give me the answer of 2 plus 2. If you're not sure, just count the dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get that, you put number 4 in the box and you can move to the next one. You may push the present button. I just can't do that for you right now, or you can't see me type the answer in, but I think that you'll be able to do that on your screen. So on this one, we have 6 dots on the top, so they put a 6 in our top circle. We have 1 dot on the bottom, so they put 1 in the bottom circle, and 6 plus 1 more equals, you got it, 7. So you type in your answer and you go to the next one. Again, these are number bonds, and you're adding one side of the domino plus another side of the domino to give you your answer. Or in addition, we call that a sum. Do your best. Turn it in when you're done.